Zen anti-drone system, commonly referred to as Zen ADS, is a state-of-the-art system to counter the threat posed by drones on military as well as civilian targets. With an effective range of 5 km to 10 km radius, Zen ADS is an ideal system to deploy along with vulnerable areas or points. While the system is configured for static use, it can be mounted on a vehicle for flexibility in deployment. Zen ADS comes with multiple sensors using radio frequency or RF detection, video-based detection and tracking, and radar. The inputs from these sensors are collated and fused at a data fusion and command center, and the data generated is fed to the soft kill or hard kill interface as required. These different elements of the Zen ADS are the drone RF jammers for the soft kill, which include an omni jammer and a directional jammer, an RF based drone detector, a video based drone identification and tracking module, and an X-band radar. At the data fusion and command center, the operators are able to get the information of incoming drones on two screens, namely the signal view and the map and camera view. When a drone comes into the effective range of the system, the RF-based drone detector picks up the RF signature of the drone. Simultaneously, the radar also picks up the drone, and both pass the information to the data fusion and command center. The data fusion and command center fuses these inputs and directs the video-based drone identification and tracking module towards the drone. The moment the threat is confirmed, the system uses RF jammers to neutralize the drone's communication system and GPS signals, causing the drones to fall to the ground. During jamming, the radar keeps tracking the drones, and the video-based module provides the final input regarding the azimuth, elevation, and range data. The normal effective range of the video-based module is 2 kilometers, and by this time, only the drones, which are pre-programmed and autonomous, have managed to continue on their mission. The data fusion and command center keeps calculating the range, azimuth, and elevation of the remaining drones in real time and feeds the data to the hard kill weapon platform, such as the L-70 anti-aircraft gun, which engages the drone with live fire and destroys it, effectively neutralizing the threat. Thus, the Zen ADS ensures the security of the vulnerable area or point.